right here. It's obviously, he's got this enclosure. Woo! 1,400 square foot building will be right here in dumping. We can officially, ready? And what is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today, it is the first step, part one essentially, of building my dream fish room. Before I start today's video, I want to thank today's video sponsor for making it possible. Today's video is sponsored by Helix Sleep. Helix Sleep makes premium mattresses and beddings customized to fit your needs. And not only that, it's conveniently dropped off right at your doorstep. But everyone's different, and Helix knows that. That's why they made the sleep quiz, to match your body type and your sleep preferences to get just the perfect mattress for you. They've got something for everyone's unique taste, and if you sleep with a partner, you can take the quiz together. Based on my preferences, Helix matched me with the Midnight Deluxe. I'm personally a side sleeper, and I like a nice firm bed. I've had my Helix mattress now for a couple weeks, and let me tell you, I don't sleep much, so when I do get some great sleep, having a mattress that supports your back is super comfortable. It's a whole different sleep. I've always struggled with constantly waking up in the middle of the night, and I'm not gonna lie to you, ever since I've got this mattress, I knock out like a light. I don't even wake up to my alarms. That's actually how good this is. And most importantly, I couldn't be happier with this mattress because I wake up just feeling better. Helix is so confident that you will love your mattress that they offer a 100-night sleep trial as well as a 10-year warranty, and their financing options and their flexible payment plans. You get more than 3 months to make sure you love your mattress, and guess what? Guess what? If you don't, they'll come pick it up from you and give you a full refund. One of the best things about Helix is they deliver your mattress straight to your doorstep, hassle-free. And hear me out, if you're in the US, it is free shipping. Comes rolled up in a box, you unbox it, and it literally just... I'm actually not kidding, it's exactly what it does. Watch. Ready? Dude, that is so cool. All you gotta do is go to the top link in the description, click that link, or go to helixsleep.com/Cuffaro and get up to $200 off your Helix Sleep mattress. And guess what? 2 free pillows along with it. Thank you so much, Helix Sleep, for sponsoring today's video. I'm telling you, Cuffaros, go click that link down below and sleep better. You will not regret it. 1,400 square foot building will be right here in probably within the next month. I told you I'd get some loopholes around it. We have got the official survey to finish off getting the last piece of the permit. And this is step 1 before concrete. We're getting a bunch of dirt. This is truckload number 2. The first truckload came way earlier this morning, and then they just started showing up left and right after that. That's much better. This one looked like shit. That's the compact padding sand that we like, dirt. These trucks are threading the needle. I mean, getting so close to the house and the fence just to get through, but it's working. This is the same path that the concrete truck will take, and as well as the building truck that holds all the metal. We got the Bobcat going now. Hector is here. We put the fence in for this enclosure and got our horse Finn out of the chaos traffic jam. I mean, I couldn't keep him in there, obviously, right, Finn? He's got this enclosure for the whole day. It worked out perfect. We just had made that. But the Bobcat's now gonna spread everything out so that more trucks can start dumping in the same area. Unfortunately, not that it makes much of a difference, but it did rain last night, so we got like puddles of water here, and it's harder for the trucks to get through because the soil is softer, but we got it working, Cuffaros. Things are happening here at the PC Farm 2.0. By the end of today, you are going to be able to see the exact size of our fish building. Literally the pad of dirt that the concrete goes on top, aka the size of the building, you will see by the end of today. We'll be standing on it. By the way, peep the last video. It looks incredible. Full. It is filled up, especially with the rain from last night. It looks much bigger when it's full. Although I'm spending like $5,500 on this project in particular, just the dirt, it feels so so good to spend that money. It's been so long. I have waited almost, I don't even know exactly how long, but months and months and months and months and months just to get some of the permits to get this finally started. And look at this. All good things eventually happen. Update. It's coming together. You can kind of see, the pad now. It's really coming together. Dumping. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this process is just on repeat. The trucks come, they dump the dirt. He gets in the skid steer, spreads it out, makes it flat, and actually switches to that little roller over there, which then makes it really flat until we get to the same level as the house itself, the house over there. And this pad both have to be level for permitting reasons. So they do the same thing 15 times, essentially. There's 15 truckloads. Looks good though, looks good. This is literally the size of the building. I mean, it goes to like there, all the way over to there. Woo! Let's get another scoop. They already ate breakfast. This is another extra treat. You know, it really is crazy to see just how big these pigs have gotten over the course of the last couple of months. I love these guys. They're like my little kids. Although they better be prepared because we have a gnarly storm coming this weekend. This weekend's supposed to be a tropical storm. There's like a hurricane out on the islands, and Florida's gonna get schwacked with a nice tropical storm, aka heavy rains, a little bit of heavy wind. Would you look at this though? I mean, wow. Talk about coming together. It's coming together quick. We can officially, ready? And boom. We are on the pad. That is incredible. It's so big, it's literally insane. Look how big this thing is. Okay, now do you see the size of this building compared to the fish room? Look at this. Huge. Comment down below what you're thinking right now. I am beyond stoked. You got to think this is how big it is, and then we have 4 inches of concrete that go on top of this. Look at the size of this, man. Oh, I could not be happier. And then our pond looks so great. Look at this pond. It looks amazing, dude. Beautiful, beautiful. Told you, Cuffaros, this place is gonna be insane. PC Farm 2.0 is just a different breed. It's just different. It's built different. Massive slab. Look at the dog compared to that. Hi, Mia. You know, the marks on the lawn are not as bad as I thought they would be to have 15 truckloads go there and back in my yard. It's really not that bad. Hector will be back at 6 o'clock, which is in like 2 hours, to put the couple posts back and fix up the fence in the front and right here. That way we can get Finn, our horse over there, back out of that small enclosure. That was obviously his temporary home for today while all this work went on, and back into his big old area over here. I also got mats for inside his stall. So all these mats, just gotta cut them to the right size and fill in all this. And then some shavings. 1 stack of goats. You want a little afternoon snack as well? Here you go, Boots. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Just an absolutely incredible day. It could not have gone any better. We're 1 step closer to having this 1,400 square foot building in the backyard. 1 of 4 steps. So next week they're actually gonna come and they're gonna form the entire top section here to put the concrete. That's making the wood side. So they'll put like, you know, the wood corners. You've seen like when a house, that is what they're gonna be doing this week. And then today I will have an official date that the concrete's gonna come. I'll pop it up on the screen because by the time I edit this, I'll know the date. That should be the day we get the concrete to the house. Obviously it'll take a couple days to edit and then eventually go live on the channel. But y'all know, I keep you updated on everything that goes on here. So make sure to subscribe down below. That is the day we'll have concrete being poured at the house. And then 15 days from then, the building goes up. In 1 day, 1 or 2 days, max 2 days. It'll be here. Crazy. I ran over here to show you this. This is the 5,500 gallon pond right here. It's obviously connected to each other, has 4 viewing panels, and we're gonna repaint the entire thing. Inside, new blue, lighter blue, and the outside, a fresh coat of black. This will all be inside of that building, fully set up, and all the fish in the 3,600 gallon up here. By the way, if you watch the bacteria issue video we had going on in this pond, no more fish deaths. We're doing good. Look at all my monsters. Look at them all. Hey, bud. It is time to do another big water change on this pond, that's for sure. Once it starts to get a little cloudy, I do a nice water change. Just like that. Boom, baby. And our water is nice and fresh. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We finally have a pad, which is a big step to our building, finished. Have a lot of new merch, actually 6 new things of merch dropping. That's why the site's been down for a couple weeks. I'm taking the merch stuff a little bit more serious. I know I've said it a couple times in the past, but I'm for real this time. But yeah, that's why the site is down. If you're looking to buy some merch, just put your email in on the link in the description, and once the site goes back live, you'll be notified with the fresh new PC merch. See you in the next one.